Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is extremely clear that we have, first of all, the end of a correction right here, and then this is a 1, a 2, and we're currently still in a wave 3. Kind of looks like we can see subdivisions of the wave 3, like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and 5 of 3. So I still think we may be getting close to ending a wave 3 on the weekly and monthly, but when you say close on the weekly and monthly, that could potentially be anywhere from, 1 to 3 candles, maybe even 5, 6, 12 candles. So, maybe we're looking at anywhere from, 3 months to a year before we really do even end this pattern, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5. So let's keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely still think we're in a wave 3. This is the big wave 1 down here, the big wave 2, and then this is most likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So, like I said, we may be getting close, but as of now, we have no impulsive move down, no engulfing move, no lower high, no break of structure. We have nothing at all telling us that this wave 3 really is over as of yet. So heading down to the daily time frame. Now this was a very strong move to the downside, but as of so far, it really hasn't really done anything. I've been saying for a while that this could be a wave A, this could be a wave B, and it possibly could go down for a wave C before it really does continue up. But like I've also been saying, I think it's even more likely, especially looking at other yen pairs, that it may just keep on going up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels before we really do get the end of this wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frame. Definitely still bullish until proven otherwise. Now going down to the 4-hour time frame, we are about at the 78.6. So if it goes up, bounces from the 78, goes down, breaks structure, then at that point I would be pretty convinced that it probably is a wave B and that this is a wave A. 1, 2, 3 of B. But I would have to see that 3, 4, 5 shape. I would have to see the Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure before I would even consider going short. But if you do see this, then most likely it's going to tell you that we are going to go down and make a wave C, which would most likely take out the low of wave A. But like I was just explaining, I wouldn't be surprised at all if it just went up, made higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just kept on trending up, which is why until I see this picture right here, I am doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for longs. I think this is most likely just another pullback correction in a uptrend. Now, if the next move up does go up to the 78.6 and then go down and break structure, that's what, like I said, is going to turn me into a seller. That's going to prove that this is a wave B and that it's going down for a wave C. On the other hand, if this does something like this, goes up, bounces from a fib, makes a higher low, makes a higher low, higher high, and just keeps on trending, then I definitely will do nothing except for look for longs at the end of every single pullback, which is basically what I've been doing on every single one of these yen pairs for about 4 years now, because this is as of now a 4-year uptrend on the very high time frames. There's no reason at all that this couldn't potentially not turn into a 5-6-year uptrend. So the trend is your friend, and I'm definitely not looking to identify the top of this trend. I'm looking to trade the continuation pattern until the higher time frames tell me that this trend is over. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list over here from top to bottom every single day. And it also gives you access to all my swing/day trades that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.